What eats pizza and comes from the sewer? That would be Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and this pan pizza is inspired by them. Peanut butter, marshmallows, pickles, and avocado, which may sound a bit wacky, but it's actually quite delicious. So let's give it a try and cowabunga, whatever they say, let's do it. So first thing we're gonna do is make our dough. We've got here 400 grams of flour, about a teaspoon of yeast, about the same of sugar, about the same of salt. And we're just gonna mix all our dry ingredients up like that. Use the hands. You're gonna do 300 milliliters of water. And you wanna knead that together for between 5 and 10 minutes. The more kneading you do, the better. When your dough is all together, put some cling film on it, go to bed, wake up, and this will be ready to make into our bases. After a night cooling off in the fridge, here's our dough. You can see the sort of bubbles being formed. It's lovely and silky. We're gonna start making our base. Real Italians, they stretch their bases. They don't use a rolling pin. You can use a rolling pin if you want, but we're gonna try and stretch it like this. Once we have our base, prop it in the pan, and the bottom of our pizza base will cook as if it was on a piece of hot stone, like a stone-baked pizza. When it starts to blacken the bottom like this, that's when you're good. That's when you've got the top is still raw, but only just. This is actually all cooked, and then the grill, when we put it under the grill, will take care of cooking the crust. Because it's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the topping is a little eccentric and perhaps not what you would think to put on your normal pizza. Peanut butter. Now this is, I guess, like in place of what would be your tomato sauce on a normal pizza. Marshmallows. I guess this is like your mozzarella on a traditional pizza. It melts in a kind of similar way. And then a bit of chocolate sauce, just like that. And then pickles, which actually these are sweet pickles, which do work surprisingly well with peanut butter. Now this is where we're gonna grill it. So you're gonna get a blast of hot heat, which will cook out the rest of that crust, melt the marshmallows. So into the oven. This has been under a hot grill for about 5 minutes. You can see the edges have browned off. The marshmallows are well and truly cooked. We're just gonna finish it off with some avocado, turtle colored. Slice it and good to eat. Surprisingly, very nice. You've got your savory peanut butter with the sugary sweetness of the marshmallow and chocolate running through that. And then the pickles add a kind of tang, a pizzazz to the pizza that you might not expect. Do try it at home and don't eat too many at once, because I'm not sure how good it is for you.